Feel na ko nasaag ko. Ako kabawas David ang exit dere. Puta ka og gawas. We'll explore ang patun sa ning lugar. Hopefully na tayo makitaan rin kalutsan.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Good morning guys. So I'm here today sa Ayala and I'll be going to IEC kay murag tomorrow na ang last day sa Big Bad Wolf and I'll just check kung saan na dito and maybe if may time yun maybe we can buy few books and hopefully ato sa mabasa. Daghan kay books nga ipalit before niya anto dron gyapon na basa. So we'll see kung say atong makitaan dito. So for the meantime, hapit sa ako sa National Bookstore kay na ako gipangita nga item. I don't think manani siya sa Big Bad Wolf but we'll see. Alright, so I'm just few steps away from IEC and fun fact, I've been here in Cebu for for almost 15 years now and this is my first time to be here in IEC from the time that it has been constructed and I'm excited kung sa ito makitaan dire. It's very hot. I just walked from outside Patsulod and very humid ang weather nato today. So this is also my first time to be in the Big Bad Wolf event. So I hope we can have good finds, good covers sa mga books. And I'm just here right now sa entrance area to show you. Wait. IEC and then daghan kay buses, tourist bus. So we'll find out. Alright, I'll get back to you. Hindi ko man ako sud. Okay. Singot kayo. Okay. Init yes gawas. Nagmantika na sad ko. But good thing, aircon ang place. And in front of me is the iconic Big Bad Wolf na itong letters, dagko, signage. So, we're about to enter now. And here. Okay, so na ta sa warehouse. And we'll see. Okay. Earlier I mentioned this is my first time to attend the Big Bad Wolf event. And so right now I'm really confused kung sa'y paliton. I'm not a bookworm, but I'm just interested in looking at mga titles kung sa'y mga topics nga interesting. So I don't have anything in mind right now. sa kadaghan murag maglisod na pagpili. So just out of curiosity, naglibot-libot ako dire. So hopefully we can have something out of this venture. I don't know where to start. Bigan kayo kapilian, guys. So I think this is the last day or tomorrow is the last day, and hopefully by next year if they'll come back. It's nice to be here sa yung opening dates or whatnot, earlier pa para daghan kag choices and you can come back kung sa mo ang ganahan ng mga books. So magtuyok-tuyok sa tadiri and I'll see what I can find in here and I'll get back to you soon. And so I've been roaming around for about several minutes now, 30 minutes to almost an hour. And up until now, paghihapon ko'y napilian. I don't know. Maybe pa lang ko kita sa genre sa book nga akong ganahan or I don't know why. But I just find ang mga items that costs 100 plus pinakabarato nga ako nakitaan is 90 pesos which is for katong mga pre-loved nga mga books and katong mga new ones starts ako yung nakitaan 120, 160, 190 and above. So mamili lang gid ka kung sa imong gusto and no na siya mga price range. Some are I find ridiculously priced. For example, for this book, siya pang children, ang kids, toddlers. This is a kanang board book, but nangyari siya kagamay, pero yung price is 390 pesos. So I just don't understand kung nga siya kamahal. Other board books just cost 120 pesos, pero kato siya gamay na medyo mahal pa yun. So ano siyang 120 ra. And also hani 160, but kato siya surprisingly priced at 360 pesos. Ilang ko kagets nga no. So one thing I am interested into looking at is ang katong ilang mga journals. I browsed earlier pero wala pong pinapilian. I was looking for something or a journal na walay lines but I couldn't find it. Although nindot siya designs outside pero I'm looking for something na katong walay linya-linya. So I'll keep on roaming around and see what I can find in here. Feel na ako nasaag ko. Ako kabawas David ang exit dere. Puta ka ako gawas. Pag-explore ang kung saan ang lugar. Hopefully na tayo makitaan na rin. Kalutsan. Oh, there you go. Bilang balik na sad ko dito sa Agi. So I decided not to buy anything kay wala mo kay feel nga mga books dito. So maybe pohon sometime in the future, and I still have books man sad nga wala nabasa, so I don't want to spend on something nga basin dili na sad nako basa ako. So mo to siya. So right now akong buhaton is I'll be going to SM to check on something kay wala sa National Bookstore Ayala akong gipangita. So I'll check on National Bookstore SM nga branch, and maybe I'll watch a movie kay na ako free movie ticket today. So lakwat siya, walwal na walay gasto, di ba? Cool. So I'll see you around. So before anything else, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page, Think and Hit Vlogs. And thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you soon. Bye.